Donchian Channels show you the highest and lowest low over a set period, and they were famously used by the turtle traders. They'll tell you exactly when an asset breaks out of its recent range, and here's how to use it on TradingView. First, head over to the chart you want to use it on, then click the / key. Type in Donchian Channels and then click right here. Once you do that, 3 lines will appear on your screen. The upper line is the 20-day high, lower line is the 20-day low, and the middle line is the average. Notice that when price is breaking above the upper line, that's a new 20-day high, a breakout, and when price breaks below the lower line, a breakdown. Now, the typical system was to buy on upper channel breakouts and sell on lower channel breakdowns. Let's head over to settings to see what they are right now. Simply hover over the line and then double click. You'll see the length is 20 right now, but for shorter term breakouts, it's recommended to use 10, and for longer term trend confirmations, 55. Now, you'll notice the channel width. Tight converging channels means the asset is coiling, and wide channels means high volatility, whereas tight channels often precede big breakouts. You can also confirm this with volume, because a breakout on heavy volume is typically real, whereas on light volume it usually fails. Other than that, have a great day, guys.